Looking to expand your rotisserie skills? Then this is the video for you. Don't forget, if you're using the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Hi grillers, welcome back to the channel. So today we're going to be looking at expanding the rotisserie on the Weber barbecue. Now, if you've recently bought a rotisserie, obviously you're limited to cook meat and roasts on there, but we can expand that a little bit. So today we're going to be checking out the OnlyFire Chef Rotisserie Baskets. So let's get these unboxed and have a look. Plus, look at the baskets, they're stainless steel, so they're not going to get any contamination to your food. There's no worry about any Teflon or anything coming off onto your food while using them. Now in the box you get 2 rotisserie baskets, which is fantastic, and hopefully these will fit on the BBQ. The actual dimensions of them are 7.5 inches wide by 8.5 inches, so that's from spindle to spindle. On the bottom here we've got 2 grub screws. They will fit various size rotisserie bars, so you've got no problems with them fitting on your spit. So these will be ideal for the Weber Genesis, BBQ, and any other barbecue that you may own with a spit. So these just adjust and clamp onto that. We'll be checking out in a minute. Also on the side we've got 3 settings, a top one, middle, bottom, so you can adjust these to the thinnest setting possible, which is around just under an inch, around 7/8 gap. If you want those millimeters, this is around 20 mil at the smallest point, and then at the widest point we've got 2 6/16 or 60 mil. So in these you should be able to fit roast potatoes. If you want to do roast potatoes, if you're doing chips, you can do chips. Fish would be great in these as well, and also you've got your chicken drummers, chicken wings, and chicken breast. So there's plenty of cooks who can do these across the board. So let's see if they fit on the BBQ. Now you want to make sure these are pretty much central to the queue because you don't want it catching the sides. I think this is going to be pretty close with the 2 baskets. Right, so we've got the 2 baskets on, so let's switch that on and just see if it catches. As it comes round now, we can see it marginally lifting the lid. So I think if Weber had made this Q lid about 1 mil or 2 wider, it wouldn't be catching it, because it's actually lifting it about 1 or 2 mil when it catches here. But cooking wise, I think if you just use the single basket, if you're worried about it catching, you still get plenty in one of these, especially having the baby Q. If you've got the medium Q or the family Q, it's definitely going to fit, and it's not going to lift the lid because it's going to be a little bit wider. Right, so we've got the rotisserie turned on, so let's just shut this lid. It is roughly central and see if it catches. And that's not catching at all. Don't forget, every key's in the video today. There are links in the description below for the best place to get those barbecue products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. Right, so looking at the OnlyFire Chef Rotisserie Baskets, are they worth it? But looking at the quality, stainless steel is going to work really well. You're not going to have food sticking on. They're going to be really easy to clean. They will be dishwasher safe. As for the BBQ, they will fit on the BBQs you've seen, but they do catch here. So it does lift that lid a little bit. If you've got the high lid version of the medium Q or the family Q, then this will definitely fit, and you'll have a fantastic addition to your rotisserie. So we'll be trying this out with some chicken wings, some chicken drumsticks, and some veggies pretty soon. So make sure you stick around for the next video where I do test these out with a cook. Now, for those who are looking at buying a new BBQ, check out this video next. Now, and for those that want to upgrade to the new BBQ portable cart, check out this video next. So thanks for watching, happy grilling, and I'll catch you in the next one.